Hi guys, and welcome back to Aubrey's show. Today we're going to be buying this new creature, the Firework Creature. I'm very excited to play. Let's buy it. It's called the Firework. Alright, well, we get a lot of these. We get the new creature. We also get to get this dude. So let me go to shop and buy him. There's two types of these creatures. Well, there's lots of firework. Right. I think I want to be this one. And we are showing some people. Plus, this one takes longer, but he actually has a subspecies of this dude. I prefer this one. Okay. The abilities, active abilities, is Spite, Lance, and Yoke Bomb, which would be super fun. Passive abilities, we have all these. There's a lot of them. And then my favorite, I think we have Shock Area. I don't really know. Let's create. And I think we do a fiery skin. Is this a good? No. I'm thinking, okay. Ooh, okay. Or should I just do it this way? You know what? I want to make it glowy, though. We'll just do it this way. This looks cool. Now, if I'm going to be trolling some people, we need to add some plushies. So we're going to add this void, and then two voids, actually. Not one, but two. Let's hear this dude's roars. Okay, let's hear this. The voice sounds like dust. Also, what does this creature remind you of? He actually reminds me of. Wait, let me pop it up. Okay, species. Okay, sorry about that. Alright. He actually reminds me. I can't find him, but the dude. Oh, here he is. He reminds me of this. If his mouth is purple, he'll be mini version. This dude doesn't even look like he can fly. I can just troll people. They'll think I'm a floating snake. Roar. Bite. This dude bites pretty fast for his kind of. Not really. Okay! What are you? I'm gonna fight you. I'm not gonna fight. Let's go. Nowhere to be seen. Ooh, it's really you. Alright, well, whoever this aggressive person is, I'm gonna kill them. Okay, this one. Which one's better? Kendo or Polymonstrum? Type it in the chat. Alright, let's go to my favorite place in the world, Oasis! I don't want to go to Oasis anymore. Now I can change my mind. Someone's calling for me. I hope it's not that dude. It's like a sun. What are you? Oh, hi, can I kill you? Hi. Don't stand still. Oh my god, okay, bye. I wasn't even saying hi to you. I don't know oh, he's running away. Okay. Oh, look at the baby. Go right in. Oh, I can't even say the name and that. Oh, okay. Just being peaceful. At least there's the carcass. Am I right? Can I pick it up? No. I'll eat it. Yum. It's very good. I wish I could eat those. They look yummy. Alright, bye-bye, everyone. Never see you again. Bye. Okay, my goal is to grow up to adult. And I'm already 9% out of 100. We need to get to 66, which won't be a problem. He's immune. Baby! 22. I think he does Green Shredder. And that skin looks like vomit. Vomit! You wish you could fly, bro. And he just used Spite. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna make him mad. I'm gonna go here, then I'm gonna rest. Turn this down. Calls down, and I'm just gonna spam aggressive. He's probably so annoyed. Should I go attack him? Should I try to attack him? He's ready. He's getting ready. Yeah, you see me? You see me? Should I go and fight him? I hope he doesn't. I hope he doesn't do each other. Go, 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 Sharkeo. Okay, it's ready. 56. I know that thing has like 1,000 health. Oh, it's beautiful. Yes, it's fireworks randomly happen. Oh yes, everyone. I know. I'm the fire creature. Also, I made myself female so I can go and have fun and grow people. Ooh, what are you? What are you? That's just... Why am I taking more damage? No! Oh. Okay, I was thinking we actually used the plushies. I think it comes to plushies. Yeah, it comes to this. Increases poison, frostbite, and burn block by 15 while dealing bleed block by 20. Oh my, guys, this thing, if you have like this plushie, and then you have like a void plushie, that's gonna be okay. But I am not being a coward and leaving when I have a beautiful opportunity. Nope, I'm never doing that. Nope, bye-bye. Okay, time to go. Wee. Oh my goodness. Volcano! I hope I have burning. Yeah, volcano. I hope that's not the mom I just destroyed, the baby. Something intensive person. You know what, I bet you that this thing cannot hurt me and pick me up. I bet you that. This is all part of my plan. Now I'm gonna fly to volcano until it flops to the ground. Go, please. Please pick me up, volcano, please. Please. Pick me up, please. Oh my goodness, I'm so thirsty. Okay, maybe don't, maybe do, I don't know. Fly. This is my only opportunity. And also, there's this water is magic, and there's food inside, so I can eat it. I can eat the water. I know. It's beautiful. Wait. Okay, guys, I'm so glad I'm studying water. Look at me. You know, I kind of look like the creature I just showed you. Oh my god, fly, get out. Okay, I kind of look like the creature I just showed you. Wait. Oh my god, no. Fly. I want to go to volcano. I kind of look like... Wait, let me show you. Kind of look like this, dude. Yes. I know everybody. I have every creature, even the Valentine's creature. You do not want to know how many hours I spent in this game. It's not normal. That's okay. Alright. To prove I'm from the volcano, I will sacrifice myself. I'll sacrifice myself. Beep. Wow. Guys, this is what it feels like. This is what it feels like to get in a volcano. Wow, what am I in? Wow. I look so cool. Wait, aggressive. Yeah. Bet you I can kill anything. Let's see what I can kill. Can't kill that. Can't kill that. Can't kill that. Can't kill that. Can't kill... Actually... I'll go to you. I'll go to you, you little monstrosity. I hope I'm fast enough. Because you don't know what Jeff can do. Jeff. Why is his name Jeff? To be the demolisher. Because I'm going to demolish you to pieces. Blue Skull, you try to kill me. Okay, either Jeff turned his thing off, or I'm just wasting my time going over here. I hope it's the second one. I mean, I hope it's the first one. I do know. Jeffy, I just want to be friends with you. Come on, Jeffy. Alright, this is what I do. I just invite everybody. I'm already a teen, so I'm almost adult. And then I make myself scout. Alright, where should I go now? I think... Why are you still here? Not... Oh, wait, he's the same 15 as me. Okay. I'm not gonna kill just because of that. Probably not because I'm just scared of you. I think that's easy. I think that's not easy. Oh my god. I hear fighting and I'm not afraid to use it. And this dude's slow. I know it. Hi. I know I said I wasn't going to kill you, but I'm just going to kill you. $73 damage? That's not bad. 140. I can't kill anything. 6767. That thing is old and now you're gonna die. Die. Yeah. Alright. What are you? 67. I'm gonna murder you. One thing is to go here so I can murder him. So I don't feel bad. Alright, what are you? She's weak. Oh, I know, I see. You are my pack-mate. I'm not gonna hurt you. Where am I? But he's aggressive. You killed my friend. You killed somebody. Oh. I'm the new Firework Creature. You want to fight me? Six, seven, you're alive! You are alive! And as a small creature. This creature can't do anything. Hello! Aren't you the little performer? Oh, you are. You just look like a firework because you are a firework. Sneak up to him. It's fun, isn't it? I'm sorry. No, I didn't mean to, I swear. I'm sorry. Hold on. This is gonna be so fun. Just one more hit. Hey, bro, can I make it up to you? Just kidding. Don't want to make it up anymore. Alright, now all you guys have been waiting for. Beautiful galaxy. I'm just kidding. Not the galaxy to murder lives and kill people. What are you? Lamb. Does this tell me where creatures are? Oh, no, it doesn't. Yoke bomb, what do you do? Oh, I need to be close to the ground. Oh. No, it's just waste all my abilities. Why do I keep fighting people with my same skin? You know what? Just because of you. Just because of that skin. Come here. Only I'm going to be the skin. I at least have to bite you one time. I need to run. Okay. I'm going to troll another person, then I'm going to end the video. But I'm going to do a part 2, and I'm going to do the other creature, even though I really don't want it. Because it can't fly like this dude. Yes, I know. My friend, actually, I had to unfriend the person because they decided to use this creature on me. So that's why I want to be it. And that's why I kind of want to go make it glow. I bet you are so low, bro. Okay. What's something I can kill? Oh, look, guys, I just killed a tier 5 Kendo. What? First of all, it's not even Kendo. Bye-bye. Now I really mean it. There's 2 people. Lay down. Okay. Need my stamina ready. How did I already get 2? Alright, I'm gonna attack this person. Yeah, it's me. I know, I'm so low. I know you're losing health so quick. Okay. I'm just gonna kill this person now. No, I'm gonna poop on you. Take that. Take that, girl. You're lucky. Fine. Okay. Trying to save this creature's life. Fly! Yes! Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my god. I know he can go. He's probably following me. I'm gonna go all the way up here so he will not see me. I know I'm badly hurt. So once I go into menu, I'm gonna end this video because he can never catch up to me. Anyways, if you guys had a fun time watching my video, yes, fireworks everyone, but if you have a fun time watching my video, make sure to like and subscribe.